Hello, have you decided? Oh, Dr. and Mrs. Roberts.
Oh,
hey,
Kevin.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Are you done for the semester?
Oh, yes. So how is John doing at Yale? I haven't talked to him for a while.
He's great. How do you like Stanford?
Oh, it's been fun, you know. Lots of work. To be honest, I'm just gonna take a little time off.
Oh, time off for what?
Well, I've been thinking about working here full time.
But you've worked so hard.
Well, not hard enough, apparently. I just can't seem to keep up.
Can't? Or won't?
Well, I assure you, Dr. Roberts, I'm working as hard as I can.
Well, you know, sometimes we don't know just how hard we can work until we push ourselves.
Louis,
What?
we'll take 2 dinner salads to start, please.
Okay, sure.
You're not his father, Louis.
Well, if I were his father, he wouldn't be such a coward.
I don't know why you always have to do this.
I'm just trying to help him. Is that so bad?
No, could we please just enjoy our meal?
Fine. Happy anniversary.
Alright, we have 2 dinner salads.
Thank you.
Yep. Mrs. Roberts, would you like some pepper?
Sure,
Alright, say when.
that's good. Thank you.
Alright, Dr. Roberts?
Yes, please.
Alright, say when. Say when, sir.
I will.
Sir, it is our policy to keep grinding until the customer tells us to stop. You're gonna have to tell me when to stop.
I will. When I've had enough.
Sir, my arm is starting to burn.
Louis, that is enough.
Stay out of this, Jamie. This is between me and the boy.
Sir, I cannot lose this job.
Then keep grinding.
Oh God, the pain.
Grind it.
Oh,
Grind.
I'm trying.
Keep grinding.
I'm trying my best.
Grind it.
I'm going.
Grind.
Ah,
Come on.
oh man.
Grind.
Louis, stop this now.
That's enough from you, Jamie.
Oh, I'm going down.
Grind it.
Oh.
Keep going.
Oh,
Keep going.
no.
Never give up.
Oh no.
Grind it.
No.
Twist it hard. Keep going. Grind it. Grind. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Grind it hard. Never give up. Okay. That's good.
I'm so scared.
It's fine. You're fine. Now, you go back to Stanford and show them what hard work really is.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now, if there's anything I could ever do for you, please just let me know.
Well, I could use another salad.